To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed locally on your machine. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from the terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install pass the global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions, and to sign in, run Jekyo user sign in, input your username and password. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Hexo blog and configuring and deploying an existing Hexo blog. To create a Hexo blog, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of many different frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic sample app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Hexo using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application anything you want, Hexo demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new folder with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this blog, switch to its directory, so I'm gonna run cd hexo blog. To deploy this app, switch to its directory, so I'm gonna run cd hexo demo and simply run jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and we can follow this link to see it live. If you want to redeploy this blog after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Hexo blog, first navigate to its directory. In my case, cd hexo blog. Okay. Now I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't done so already, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit commit. If this was already a Git repository, skip that step. Next, you must edit the file called package.json, which should be in the root of your app. Add a start line so that the blog can start on Jekyo. Hexo server, you need to pass two flags, port and host. So port and port variable and host variable. Go ahead and save the file and commit the change. Now run Jekyo create. This time select none from the list. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local blog to this empty app on Jekyo. Give it a name, Hexo blog, and link your local app by running Jekyo link. Select your recently named app, in my case Hexo blog, and now simply run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on the app. Now the app is deployed and we can follow this link to see it live. If you need to push some local changes to update your blog, add the modified files to the git index by running git add, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.